What is up, YouTube? It is Dougie with Diamond D Outdoors. Today we have the first installment of our budget gear series. I went in search of the cheapest, lightest backpacking stove on Amazon, and what I found did not disappoint. The camp stove is from AOTU. I don't know how to say that. If somebody does, let me know. Give me like the phonetic spelling or phonetic pronunciation of that. So what it has, super compact form factor. My hands aren't super big, aren't super small. I'd say medium size, and it fits in there pretty good. This guy is super small. It rolls out, flips out, and the one thing that I wanted, and without it as a deal killer, is the piezoelectric start. So pretty simple, runs off butane. You can purchase an adapter for propane. I didn't personally get it. I will in the future, but we already have this little guy set up. One important piece of information to remember is the storage position is not the closed position. The closed position is actually about a quarter to a half turn to the right. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. So whenever we turn it on, super easy, give a little gas, one click. So all in all, with the gas canister and the stove itself, I was out the door less than 15 bucks. It seems pretty durable. It's pretty quick. There's really not a lot to complain about. If you like the channel, if you like the videos, if you like what I'm doing, you want to see more, following the links down below and purchasing items through those links, they are affiliate links. I do see a little bit of commission, to be honest. So help support me, help me to continue doing this. As always, like, subscribe, find us over on Facebook, Diamond D Outdoors. Until next time, see you later.